Bought some connectors online, cheap, $2. Lay them out. Bought this socket online, about $2. Bought this bulb, also about $1. Bought these shrink tubes, not too expensive, $8 for a packet. Connect them together. Strip your wires first, obviously. You can use this kind of stripper. And then you cut off the connection, female connector. Connect them together. Use a heat gun. And now it's just time to put them all together. Put the bulb in. And put the lamp in its place. Make sure everything's connected. And give it a go. And you can see we have a working right indicator.